Good morning, students. So, let us continue with the chapter Tool for Financial Statement Analysis. So, today uh, we will continue with the common size balance sheet. So, common size balance sheet is prepared to compare the percentage of each and every assets and liability with previous year percentage of assets and liabilities. Okay, so to calculate this percentage, total liabilities and total assets are taken as 100 before each and every assets or liability expressed in percentage. Okay, now let us see the pro forma of the common size balance sheet. So you have already done this before in while doing the comparative statement. So pro forma is somewhat like whatever particulars are there, it will remain the same. Only we have to make changes in the other two, that is the third and the fourth column, because when we were doing comparative balance sheet, that time uh, comparison was made between the two different years. That's why the third column was of absolute change and the fourth column was of percentage change. Okay, so here you can see the pro forma, that is the first one, shareholders fund, then share application money pending allotment, non current liability, current liabilities, and total. Then assets, non current assets, all the details of the non current assets, that is tangible, intangible, non current investment, and then current assets total. So, this is what the pro forma for common size balance sheet. Now, let us begin with one of the illustration in order to understand this sum. So, this is a question given to you. The question which is before you, that is, prepare the from the following balance sheet of VK Limited as on 31st March 2018 and 2019. Prepare common size balance sheet. So this is a question before you. Now let's begin to solve this. So here you can see in the particulars, equities and liabilities, shareholder fund. So the detail for let's take the first one, that is share capital. So you can see in the year 2019, share capital value is 20 lakh. So here in the third column, that is percentage regarding 2019, and in the fourth column, percentage regarding 2018. So let's see the first information regarding share capital. In the year 2019, the value of share capital is 20 lakhs, and in the year 2018, the value of share capital is 15 lakhs. So if we want to calculate for the year, like percentage of share capital for 2019, so the calculation part, you can see the working note below, if it is for 2019, so 20 lakhs upon 30 lakhs, so base you are taking 30 lakhs, that is a total balance sheet, total of balance sheet. Okay, so 30 lakhs multiplied by 100, the value will be 66.67 percentage. Similarly for the year 2018, so you can see percent of share capital 15 lakhs upon 25 lakhs, the total of the balance sheet, that is 25 lakhs multiplied by 100, the value is 60 percentage. Similarly for reserves, like if I have to calculate for the year 2019, so 3 lakh, so this 3 lakh I will take in the numerator. Denominator I will take the total of balance sheet 30 lakhs multiplied by 100, that is 10 percentage. So this is the value for the year 2019. If I have to calculate the value for the year 2018, so in the same manner, like 2 lakh will be taken in the numerator, and denominator, as you can see, 2018 the balance sheet total is 25 lakhs. So in the denominator you have to take 25 lakh multiply by 100, that is 8%. So for each and every whatever percentage you have to calculate, you will take the base as total assets and total liabilities, okay, for calculation, and you will get the answer. So this is how you have to do the calculation for each and every part while preparing common size balance sheet. So students, we have completed comparative balance sheet, comparative income statement, common size balance sheet, and common size income statement. So the other three I have completed in the previous lecture. This lecture we have completed the common size balance sheet. Okay, so this is the end of this lesson, tools for analysis of financial statement. Thank you.